place, he popped out. What?
Where's this guy listening? Let's hop out at 69 and Quimby Bison.
I need cars at 69 and Huff. This mail's supposed to be in a garbage can here, yellow house. I'm in the back. Don't you fucking move. Get out. Lay down on the ground.
Hey, get off my hair.
Lay down on the ground. You get shot.
On my hair.
Lay down on the ground.
No length dreads, no shirt.
Why you
Lay
looking
down.
for me?
Flip over.
Why are you looking for me?
Flip over.
Why is you looking for me?
I got this mail at gunpoint.
Why are you looking for me?
69th and Huff. Shut up. Don't you move.
Get your feet off me.
Don't you move. Don't you move.
Get your
Turn
feet
around.
off me, bro. Why are you looking for me?
Roll over.
Why are you looking for
Roll
me?
over.
Why is you looking for me?
Roll over. Roll over.
Why is you looking for me?
Roll over. Roll
Why
over.
is you looking for me?
Down the ground, bro.
Take me
Down
to
the ground.
bro.
Let's go. Hey. $60 Huff, yellow house. Get off me, bro. Lay down. Hey, get the fuck off me, bro. Lay down. Lay down.
Turn around. Turn around. Turn around. Turn around. Turn around.
Turn around.
Why are you punching me in my face, though? Turn around. Turn around.
Stop resisting.
Copy, mail in custody at 1636.
Get the address here.
Yeah, you guys are at 69 and Huff.
6711.
What year are you?
Why are you punching me, though?
69 and Huff. You're resisting.
I never resist. What is you talking about, dude?
Do you have any over there? 2 Huff.
Oh, y'all can let me up now, man.
Okay, 6.
No, I don't got no damn gun.
No, I had him a couple. He's in the garbage can.
Why are you punching me, though, man?
Because you're resisting arrest.
I didn't
Grab him from my gun.
Huh?
Grab him from my gun.
I never grabbed for your gun, bro.
Yeah, right.
Roll him over.
He's stuffing my head, sir.
1636.
Roll him over.
Huh?
I'm 16 to put me out
Why
with the
y'all
boss.
chasing me, though, man? Huh? I ain't
Down
got no
63, I
gun.
got
You cut through.
62, safe traffic. Yeah.
You ain't had no reason for punching me, bro.
You have no reason to grab from my gun.
Man, on my kids, I never grabbed your gun.
Yeah, right.
What the fuck is you talking about you faking? Then you pull my hair out.
You're resisting.
Hey,
Nigga.
what you running?
You cut through back here.
From Quimby?
Yeah.
From Quimby.
But he punched me. Why he punching me?
Because you
bro?
grabbed him from my gun.
On my kid's soul, I never. Huh?
Why you running?
Why he chasing me?
What's your first name?
Antoine.
Okay.
Ain't nothing in my pie. I never had nothing. I had on no shirt or nothing. I never had nothing.
You gotta warn people to run for fun, man. Were you just out for a jog? I don't understand.
No, because he jumped out on me. Walk across the street with no shirt on. What?
Let's get him into a car.
Jaywalking is
Stand up.
Why you punching? Why you punching me?
Because you're grabbing from my gun.
On my kids, I ain't grabbing your gun. Stop touching me.
Get up. Get up. You do nothing, right? Get on the car. This motherfucker up.